Hi, I'm Bet from Bet's Makes, and today I'm going to show you how to clean up images and remove the backgrounds easily and bring them into Design Space. And I will show you the difference between what you get at Design Space and what you will get using another piece of software, which is called Canva. So first, let's bring in an image. So we'll just upload something that has a background on it. So let's just upload an image. And let's bring in, say, this 3D frame. And I'm going to bring it in as complex. I could bring it in as simple. It might work with simple. I'm going to continue. Now you see all of the green in behind. I'm going to use my magic eraser. I'm going to click on it, but you will see all the artifacts. Now, in Design Space, I'm going to have to spend some time using the eraser tool, going up and down and removing all the artifacts. Well, this takes a lot of work. I want to show you a simpler way. So I'm going to click Cancel here. I'm going to move us over into Canva. Now, I'm in Canva. You can get a free copy of Canva. I put the link below this video. I'm just going to make a Facebook post for now because I find that's the perfect shape. Click on blank. It'll bring up a blank form. Now all I want to do is come over to the Uploads button here. And I already have it uploaded. I would find my file. Let's bring it in. Now I want to have it fairly large. So what I'm going to do is just enlarge it here. Now it has a green background that we don't want, and we saw what happened in Design Space where you got all the little ticky marks from it. If I come here in Canva, there's something called Effects. All I need to do is click on Background Remover. And you're going to see what happens here. My background is totally gone. Now I'm just going to name this file. This is 3D frame, no background. Just to give it a name. I'm going to click away here. Now I can come to the download. Now I have the paid version, so I can pick PNG with a transparent background, but I think we're going to start, we'll go with JPEG. Now you'll notice the download button isn't highlighted or ready yet because it is still processing the fact that we have the background being taken away. So now I'm going to click on download now that it's ready. And it shows that it's downloaded. So I'll just go to the home page here and I'm going to go back to Design Space. Now I'm going to upload that file. So let's upload image. I'm going to browse for it. And here it is, 3D frame. Let's click open. Let's see what simple does. Oh, it makes it too awful. But I like to keep complex just because of the nature of what it is. Let's click continue. And look at that, we have a nice frame with a white background. So I've got my magic wand, I'm just going to click on it. The background disappears. I don't have to worry about erasing any of that green. I can continue. I'm going to use Save, Print, then Cut. I'm going to save it. Then I'm going to click on it and bring it into my canvas. And you'll notice how it tightly forms around it, and the image that I brought in wasn't perfectly straight, but that gives you the idea of how you can get around moving things from having lots of work to do on erasing a background to using Canva to get rid of it and then bringing it back into Design Space and removing the white in the background. And this is with JPEG photos. That's all you need to worry about. So I hope you really enjoyed this, and we'll see you in the next video.